Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the screen refresh rate on your Mac OS display. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Displays. In Display Settings, select the box that says Refresh Rate and change it to the refresh rate that you want to use. That is how you change your display refresh rate on MacBook and Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.